How to fix iPhone battery drain on iOS 18.4 Beta 2. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Hold the side or power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. If a forced restart doesn't fix your battery draining, then try to update all apps. Sometimes even updating apps may help you decrease the battery draining. To do that, open the App Store. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the Profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually, or tap Update All to update everything at once. Even update do not solve the battery draining, then check battery uses by app. Go to the Settings app, look for the battery option and tap on it. Check which apps are consuming the most battery. If an app is draining too much battery, try to use it for less time. Reset all settings. Sometimes after a major iOS update, settings might not work as expected. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. In this way, you can easily reduce battery draining on your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.